In the vast darkness beyond our solar system, astronomers continue to uncover worlds that challenge our understanding of planets and habitability. Among the thousands of exoplanets discovered so far, one stands out as particularly mysterious and potentially revolutionary. It is a world that may possess oceans, complex atmospheric chemistry, and conditions unlike anything found in our own planetary neighborhood. This distant planet is K2-18b, a super-Earth located approximately 124 light-years from Earth in the constellation Leo. Though the planet itself cannot be seen directly with telescopes, scientists have been able to study its atmosphere using subtle variations in the light of its host star. K2-18b was discovered in 2015 by the Kepler Space Telescope, one of the most successful planet-hunting missions ever launched. The spacecraft detected the planet using the transit method, a technique that measures the slight dimming of a star's brightness when a planet passes in front of it. These tiny changes in light reveal not only the existence of the planet, but also key details about its size, orbit, and sometimes even its atmosphere. From these measurements, astronomers determined that K2-18b is significantly larger than Earth. The planet's radius is about 2.6 times that of Earth, and its mass is estimated to be around 8 times greater. This places it in the category of super-Earths, planets that are larger than Earth but still smaller than gas giants like Neptune or Jupiter. Super-Earths are among the most common types of planets in the Milky Way, yet they are completely absent from our own solar system. That alone makes them fascinating objects of study. Scientists are eager to understand how these planets form, what they are made of, and whether any of them could support life. K2-18b orbits a small, cool red dwarf star known as K2-18. Red dwarf stars are smaller and dimmer than our Sun, but they are extremely common. In fact, they make up the majority of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Because these stars produce less energy, the region where liquid water could exist, the habitable zone, is located much closer to the star than it is in our solar system. K2-18b lies directly within this habitable zone. Completing one orbit around its star every 33 days, the planet receives a moderate amount of stellar radiation. This places it in a temperature range where water could potentially remain liquid, depending on the composition and thickness of its atmosphere. For many years, the presence of water on exoplanets was purely speculative. But that changed in 2019 when astronomers using the Hubble Space Telescope made a historic discovery. By studying starlight passing through the planet's atmosphere during a transit, scientists detected water vapor. This was the first confirmed detection of water vapor in the atmosphere of a planet located within the habitable zone of another star. The discovery marked a major milestone in the search for potentially habitable worlds beyond our solar system. However, water vapor alone does not necessarily mean a planet has oceans or supports life. Many planets contain water in their atmospheres, but remain inhospitable environments. To better understand the conditions on K2-18b, astronomers needed more powerful instruments. That opportunity arrived with the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope. JWST is designed specifically to analyze infrared light with extraordinary sensitivity. This capability allows scientists to detect the faint chemical fingerprints of molecules in distant planetary atmospheres. When Webb observed K2-18b, it revealed a complex mixture of gases. Among the most prominent were methane and carbon dioxide, two molecules that play important roles in planetary climate systems and chemical cycles. The presence of methane and carbon dioxide together suggests that the atmosphere may be rich in carbon-based chemistry. This combination is also consistent with theoretical models predicting the existence of Hycean planets. A Hycean world is a proposed type of exoplanet characterized by a global ocean beneath a thick, hydrogen-rich atmosphere. The name itself comes from a combination of the words hydrogen and ocean. If K2-18b truly belongs to this category, its environment could be dramatically different from Earth. Instead of continents and shallow seas, the planet might be covered by a deep ocean stretching across the entire globe. Beneath its atmosphere, this ocean could extend hundreds of kilometers deep, far deeper than any ocean on Earth. The pressures at such depths would be immense, creating exotic forms of ice and water under extreme conditions. Despite these differences, some scientists believe microbial life could potentially exist within such oceans, especially in the upper layers where temperatures might be moderate. Yet one of the most intriguing discoveries from JWST observations was a tentative signal of a molecule called dimethyl sulfide, or DMS. On Earth, dimethyl sulfide is produced almost entirely by living organisms, particularly microscopic marine plankton. These organisms release the gas as part of their biological processes, and it eventually rises into the atmosphere. If DMS were confirmed in the atmosphere of K2-18b, it could represent a possible biosignature, a chemical sign that life might exist on the planet. However, scientists are approaching this possibility with caution. Detecting molecules across interstellar distances is incredibly challenging, and the signal detected so far is not strong enough to be considered definitive. Future observations will be necessary to confirm whether dimethyl sulfide truly exists there, or whether the signal might be produced by other chemical processes that scientists have not yet considered. Even without confirmed biosignatures, K2-18b has already transformed the way astronomers think about habitable planets. For decades, researchers focused almost exclusively on finding Earth-like planets, rocky worlds with thin atmospheres and familiar climates. But discoveries like K2-18b suggest that life might emerge under a much wider range of conditions than previously imagined. The planet's environment may also be shaped by its unique orbital dynamics. Because it orbits so close to its star, K2-18b may be tidally locked, meaning one side of the planet permanently faces the star, while the other side remains in continuous darkness. On the day side, constant starlight could heat the atmosphere and drive powerful weather systems. On the night side, temperatures could drop significantly, creating a world divided between eternal day and endless night. Atmospheric circulation might transport heat around the planet, producing strong winds and massive storm systems unlike anything seen on Earth. The gravity on K2-18b would also be stronger than what humans experience. With 8 times Earth's mass, the planet's gravitational pull would make movement more difficult for any hypothetical organisms. But microbial life, if it exists, would likely adapt to these conditions with ease. Tiny organisms drifting in alien oceans, powered by chemical energy and faint red starlight, could potentially survive beneath the thick atmosphere. If such life exists, it would likely resemble the earliest forms of life on Earth, simple microbes rather than complex animals or plants. Yet even the discovery of microbial life beyond Earth would transform our understanding of biology forever. It would mean that life is not a unique accident confined to one small planet, but a natural outcome of the universe's chemistry. The study of K2-18b also highlights how rapidly astronomy is advancing. Only a few decades ago, scientists were unsure whether planets even existed around other stars. Today, astronomers have confirmed thousands of exoplanets across the galaxy. Some are giant gas worlds larger than Jupiter. Others are scorching lava planets orbiting extremely close to their stars. Some are frozen ice worlds drifting in distant orbits. The small number, like K2-18b, occupy the delicate region where conditions might allow water, and perhaps life, to exist. Future space observatories will continue studying these worlds. Missions such as Ariel will analyze hundreds of exoplanet atmospheres, searching for chemical imbalances that could indicate biological activity. Each new observation brings humanity closer to answering one of the oldest questions ever asked. Are we alone in the universe? K2-18b may not provide that answer immediately, but it represents one of the most promising steps in that search. A distant ocean world orbiting a dim red star, its atmosphere carrying faint chemical signals across interstellar space. Signals that traveled 124 years through the cosmic darkness before reaching our telescopes. Signals that might one day reveal that life is not confined to Earth alone. And if that moment ever arrives, the quiet, distant world of K2-18b may be remembered as one of the first places where humanity began to hear the whispers of life beyond our own planet.